Hello and welcome back to another video by Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about the fastest way to grow your affiliate marketing business, sell more, and increase your earnings. So stay tuned. Now, if you don't know about affiliate marketing, you should know by now. It's a great way to make passive income. So if you want to learn a little bit more, and if you're not sure about what affiliate marketing is, I suggest you go to one of our earlier videos and you watch it so that you understand what affiliate marketing is, and then come back to this video. Now, if you are a veteran affiliate marketer, you already know what affiliate marketing is, so we can just get started. Now, this is the video right here, so if you don't know, go check out that video and then come back. Now, let's get started. We're gonna get started with Amazon Associates because that's one of our first suggestions, is sign up to some of the most popular. We know that Amazon Associates might not pay the most, but it has some of the most popular products. So having popular products is always a good thing. That's definitely step number one, is have popular products. So make sure you sign up to Amazon Associates and that you are looking at what products are trending through Amazon Associates. So for example, what products have a good price? For example, I found this 128 gigabyte memory card. I think it's a very good and fair price for it. So I'm gonna use it to be promoted because I think it's a good price, right? So make sure there is a selling point to it. Make sure that the thing that you're trying to promote has something that people might want. So for example, here in tips and reviews, we have this memory card right here. It's 32 gigabytes for $8. That's a really good price. So if people went and clicked on that, then tips and reviews would make money, right? So how is tips and reviews gonna get more traffic to their page? Because that's why we're here. We're here to grow our business. We already have an affiliate marketing business and we want to grow it. And the first way to grow it is to remember that you need popular products with a selling point, something that catches the eye of people, something like a very good price on the product. Now, once that you've done that first step, you're gonna go and reinvest that money. That's our second advice for you, is reinvest the money that you're earning. And one way to do so is through Facebook ads. You might be thinking that Facebook ads might not be the most useful thing ever, but trust us, if you invest in Facebook ads, you will create more leads, you will create more sales. Make sure that you're following all of the steps correctly. Make sure that you're taking every step necessary in order for your ads to be successful. This involves, for example, choosing if it's a product for men or women. If I'm selling the memory cards, it's probably a product for everybody. You know, women and men are buying memory cards, but most likely men, right? So you might want to add a little bit more towards the men category, right? So some man traffic, or on the age, you know, choose an age of people who would actually buy a memory card. You don't want to choose anything under 18 because they shouldn't even be buying online, right? Or if it's the people that are too old, maybe they don't trust it. Choose a location. You know, some people some areas buy more products than others in certain areas. Now let's go to our third advice for affiliate marketers there, which is sign up to as many marketplaces as you can. If you sign up to as many marketplaces as you can, you're gonna have a wider pool of products you can select from. If you select from a wider pool of products, you're gonna select better products, and that's definitely something you want to do. You want to have better products. You want to have products that everybody wants to buy. You want to have products that people are looking for. You want to have products that are trending. You don't want to have what everybody has. You don't want to have something that's expensive. You don't want to have things that are not gonna sell, right? So if you have a wider pool to select from, you're gonna be able to select better products and sell them. And now remember, this is our next advice, is to remember to think outside the box. Think outside of the internet. Maybe think of some physical stores that you could sell for, like Best Buy or Sears. These are very good examples that you could sell for. Now, our next advice is to remember to create content. If you start creating content and you start creating your own traffic, you're gonna be able to attract more people and you're gonna be able to sell them more. We have this example here, Potato Jet. If we go to his YouTube channel, he has a bunch of videos, and this video specifically has over 200,000 views, and he has a bunch of links over here, and if we click them, it's gonna send us to his kit page, and on his kit page it's gonna send us to his Amazon page. For example, if I want to buy this lens right here, I'm gonna click right there, and right now it's not available, but if I was to buy it, then Potato Jet would make money on that sell, right? So make sure that you are creating content that you could be sharing with people, that people could be interested in. Something maybe related to the niche of products that you're selling. Maybe you have a web page or something. Well, if you do, just make sure that you're creating content to create traffic, because if you do so, if you're creating traffic, that traffic is more likely to buy the products that you're selling than just random traffic and random people on Facebook through Facebook ads. Why? Because it's people that are usually interested in the stuff that you have to talk about. So for example, we have someone here with a lot of views. If we click on their links, it sends us to a lot of different equipment that we might buy. So if you have a hobby or anything like that, you could turn it monetizable if you start creating content and selling your affiliate marketing through that content. Now, our last piece of advice is going to be to sign up to the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private community of people building online businesses through affiliate marketing. The club is designed to connect affiliates with business owners and course creators, so both sides can increase their income, right? So they can help each other, they can sell better and make more money. So make sure to go to the Affiliates Club and make sure to sign up for the free training. This free training is done by Andy Isom. He is someone who made over $45,000 last year from selling stuff without his own products and with very few followers on social media. So make sure to check out his page, make sure to check out the Affiliates Club, and make sure to sign up to the free masterclass so that you can learn from what Andy has to say. Now, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. We are very glad to have you here in the channel. We hope that this video was helpful to you. We hope that this is something that's interesting to you. If it was, please subscribe to the channel. We'll be very glad if you did, and give us a thumbs up. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and we hope to see you again. Take care.